For this pre-cruise stay in Miami, I chose Loews Coral Gables.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, compare with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me? And this cruising family, my cruising family.
Welcome to room 1102 at the Loews Coral Gables. Thank you, Al.
You're welcome.
As you enter the room, this is the view. A nice, sufficient space for two for one night pre-cruise. So the Loews Coral Gables is one of Amex's fine resorts and hotels, fine hotels and resorts. I'm an Amex Platinum member, and this is my second year with the card. And each year I receive a $200 hotel credit to use on any hotel. So for this pre-cruise stay in Miami, I chose Loews Coral Gables.
This comfy bed is just what we need after a long travel day and arriving at the hotel well after 2 a.m. Here there are snacks and water for purchase. Right below that though are 2 bottles of complimentary water, an ice bucket, tongs, and a Keurig with K-cups there as well. Below that is the refrigerator. Let's take a look inside the bathroom. As you walk into the bathroom, you'll see there are hooks conveniently located on the bathroom wall. Let's see what the shower is giving. At first glance, I see a shower grab bar and a shower footrest. There's also a standard shower head and toiletries. Julian Farrell bar soap, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. There is a standard toilet with toilet paper and trash can nearby, a standard sink featuring Julian Farrell toiletries there as well, facial tissue, mouthwash glasses, which we do not use, and a makeup mirror. Directly in front of the bathroom is the closet, where you'll find an ironing board, as well as 2 robes, and an iron, of course. We've added our 2 coats to the closet because we did fly in from New York to Miami in the winter, so of course, where else would our coats go? In the closet, you will also find a safe and 2 drawers. Right next to the closet is a full-length mirror.
A few moments later.
Good morning from Loews Coral Gables. Let's take a look at this view. We got here so early in the morning we couldn't see any of this. And this is what the view looks like from room 1102 at Loews Coral Gables.
What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me? And this cruising family, my cruising family.